Today I'm doing a tutorial on this Iron Tech Touch hair straightener, and I am like so impressed as how my hair turned out like this, because I've literally I've never had my hair like this ever. I'm like freaking out right now. I'm a natural guy, I don't have naturally straight hair, but it's really nice to have this, especially for the holidays, especially for my birthday, which is around the corner, and just to feel really beautiful and elegant and sleek as well, and change it up. Hello everyone, so I'm jumping right in and getting started. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I have no product in it and it is looking pretty crazy. So we are going to jump right in with blow drying it and then straightening it. Today I'm using the Babyless Pro blow dryer, and I love this because this is the DIY edition, so you can see that I've already DIY'd it. I wrote subscribe over there, I wrote hashtag Sarah Tanya official here, so you could use that hashtag too, and then right here I wrote follow me on Instagram, which is pretty cute. It comes with these 3 paint pens. That's not 3. It comes with these 3 paint pens that you can use to DIY your hair dryer, which I thought was really cute and fun to be able to personalize your styling tools. So I'm going to jump right in and start with the blow drying process and then with the straightening process as well. So the first thing that I'm going to do is separate my hair into 4 sections so that it's manageable, and I'm using these large crocodile clips. You can get these at Sally Beauty. And then I'm going to separate my hair into those 4 sections.
Run away, and I know I'm right now. We can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it.
So when I have my last 4th section here, I'm going to separate that into 2 because I just want to work with a little bit at a time. I'm going to clip the majority of it up. So I'm clipping the majority of it up, and I'm just going to start with this small section over here. Now before we actually start to blow dry, we want to make sure that this is detangled. I did detangle this in the shower, but we're going to go through it with a couple of passes of a detangling brush. I'm picking up an oil. This is just an argan oil. You can use any oil of your kind, of your preference. And I'm going to run this through this section of hair. Once I've run that oil through my hair, it also acts a little bit as a conditioner. I'm going to take my detangling brush and just make sure that I can run really easily through this section without any trouble. Now this hairdryer has 3 settings. It has hot, cool and warm, as well as a low and high option, as well as a cold option. So I'm going to, because I'm doing a lot of heat styling and I want to make sure that my hair is pin straight because it's so coarse, I'm going to use it on the highest heat. But before I forget, I'm actually going to use a flat iron protector. This is just a heat protector, and it protects your hair up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to use this and just spray this onto my hair really quick in this section, and make sure that you get the ends of your hair. Brush it right through. The first thing that I'm going to do is use the tension method until I start to get a little bit more dry. Then I'm going to pick up a barrel brush and keep drying it through. I'm going to put music over this for the rest of it, so you can just watch what I do as I go.
Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Everything gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for.
Okay everyone, so this is my hair actually blown out. I love the way that it looks like this blown out. I did a separate video just leaving it like this. So for this video I'm going to straighten my hair as well, and I need to trim it, so that's pretty much why I'm straightening it. I'm going to use the Ion Touch Tech straightening iron. I was sent this from Sally's as well. This video is in collaboration with Sally Beauty, and it says slide your way to superior style. Ion Tech Touch styling tools now come with a sophisticated new touch technology that makes getting sleek, smooth, frizz-free, operative word, frizz-free, look easier than ever. So one of the things that I love about this is that it has a temperature slide because it's like an LED touchscreen. So I slid it all the way up to 450 Fahrenheit just because that's the temperature that it recommends for my hair, and when you are silk pressing you need everything at very, very high heat. So I have obviously put a lot of heat protector in my hair as well as oils, and I'm going to do a second round of heat protector and oils before I pass the straightener through my hair. So the things that you're going to need for the straightening part are a little bit different. I'm going to use a rat tail comb because I want a very fine tooth comb to be able to slide through every single one of the strands. So for this part you can use any comb of your choice. I'm using a little rat tail comb. So I'm going to take out my first little strip of hair, and then I'm going to clip away all the rest of my hair. So now that I have my first section of hair, I'm going to take a little bit of oil because I want to make sure that my hair is protected throughout. This is also what's going to help keep your hair straight.
What you need to know, love, there ain't another. Don't want no other lover. I put nothing above you. I kick them to the gutter. They're trying to shake me, you know, loving me crazy.
So I just wanted to stop and show you that I've straightened just this back section, and then I'm trimming it as I go along. This is probably the best way for me to really be able to see the damage. So I cut off about this amount of hair, maybe 2 inches of hair. So I'm just going to continue doing the same thing throughout my head.
I never thought you'd be the one, make me shine brighter than the sun. There ain't no ups and downs, no in and outs, we're here right now. If you want me to stay, I'll never leave. If you want me to stay, we'll always be. If you want me to stay, love endlessly. If you want me to stay, I'll never leave you. my back. There ain't no maybes, no questions of your baby. Now look at us lately and tell them who's your lady. I never thought you'd be the one, make me shine brighter than the sun. There ain't no ups and downs, no in and outs, we're here right now. If you want me to stay, I'll never leave. If you want me to stay, we'll always be. If you want me to stay, love endlessly. If you want me to stay, I'll never leave you.
So this is the final look. I just changed my shirt because the other one had hair all over it. I have literally, since I have been natural, not straightened my hair like this ever. I've done like a stretch out, like a loose blowout, but not to this point. So I'm like super excited to have my hair pressed. Like, I didn't even know that my hair could look like this. I cut off quite a bit. Like, I cut off like 3 inches of hair, which I mean was really difficult to do. I was like, I don't know, I was really bummed out. But it is so much healthier now. But I think all I needed was a really good trim. This took a really long time to do, but I'm glad that I actually took the time to trim it. If I was just straightening it, it would have been much quicker. And so this is what the hair looks like with this Ion Touch Tech. It has this heat technology here where you can pretty much slide down for the levels to go off, and then you can slide them back up all the way up. So that's really amazing because you can easily change the temperature and turn it on and off from there as well. Thank you so much, Sally Beauty, for collaborating with me on this video, on just like supporting me on my makeup journey. It's been really amazing. I mean, I love Sally so much. I've been shopping there for years, pretty much since I moved here, and even when I used to visit on vacation, like when I still lived in South Africa. So Sally's and I go way back. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, and remember, don't let anybody dim your glitter. Mwah. Bye.